The importance of interview preparation cannot be overstated. The software testing field is, well, quite competitive. Many skilled professionals are vying for the same roles. Thorough interview preparation is essential to stand out from the crowd. This is especially true in the world of manual and automation testing using Selenium Java. This essay will delve into advanced and unique interview questions in these areas. By understanding these questions and their answers, you can increase your chances of landing your dream job. What is the difference between verification and validation? Verification and validation are essential concepts in software testing. While they sound similar, they represent distinct phases of the software development lifecycle. Understanding the difference is crucial for any aspiring tester. Verification ensures that the software is built correctly. It focuses on the internal consistency of the software. Are we building the product right? This question guides verification activities. Validation, on the other hand, ensures that we are building the right product. It focuses on whether the software meets the user's needs and requirements. Validation activities typically occur after verification. In essence, verification is about conformance to specifications, while validation is about fulfilling the intended use. Explain the different levels of software testing. Software testing is not a monolithic activity. It involves multiple stages, each designed to catch different types of issues and ensure the software is robust and reliable. It is performed at different levels, each with its own objectives and scope. These levels help in systematically identifying and fixing bugs, ensuring the software performs as intended. Understanding these levels is crucial for effective testing. It allows teams to focus their efforts and resources efficiently, ensuring comprehensive coverage. First, unit testing. This level focuses on testing individual components or modules of the software in isolation. It is the most granular level of testing and helps in catching issues early in the development cycle. It is typically performed by developers. They write and run tests to ensure that each unit of the code works as expected. Second, integration testing. This level verifies the interaction between different units or modules of the software. It ensures that the integrated components work together as expected and that data flows correctly between them. It ensures that the integrated components work together as expected. This level helps in identifying issues that may not be apparent when units are tested in isolation. Third, system testing. This level tests the complete and integrated system as a whole. It verifies that the system meets the specified requirements and functions correctly in its entirety. It verifies that the system meets the specified requirements. This level is crucial for ensuring that the software behaves as expected in a real-world environment. And finally, acceptance testing. This level is typically performed by the end users or stakeholders to determine if the software meets their needs and is ready for release. It is the final validation before the software goes live. These levels form a hierarchy, with each level building upon the previous one. Together, they ensure that the software is thoroughly tested and ready for deployment. What are the different types of software testing? Software testing encompasses a wide range of testing types, each focusing on a specific aspect of the software. It is essential to understand these types to ensure comprehensive testing coverage. Here are some common types of software testing that are widely used in the industry. First, functional testing. This type verifies that the software functions as per the requirements. It checks if the software behaves as expected and meets the specified criteria. Second, non-functional testing. This type focuses on aspects like performance, security, usability, and reliability. It ensures that the software performs well under various conditions and is secure from potential threats. Third, black box testing. This approach tests the software without any knowledge of its internal workings. It is used to validate the software's functionality from an end-user perspective. Fourth, white box testing. This approach tests the software with knowledge of its internal structure and code. It is used to verify the internal operations and logic of the software. And finally, regression testing. This type ensures that changes to the software have not introduced new defects. It is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the software after updates or modifications. Understanding the different types of software testing is crucial for designing effective test strategies. Each type plays a vital role in ensuring the overall quality and reliability of the software. Section 5. What is a test plan? What are its key components? A test plan is a formal document that outlines the scope, approach, resources, and schedule of testing activities. It serves as a roadmap for the testing team. Key components of a test plan include 1. Test objectives, clearly defined goals of the testing effort. 2. Test scope. What features will be tested and what will not be tested. 3. Test environment, the hardware, software, and network configurations required for testing. 4. Test schedule timeline for various testing activities. 5. Test deliverables, documents, reports, and other artifacts produced during testing. A well-defined test plan is essential for successful software testing. Section 6. Automation testing with Selenium Java. Automation testing has become indispensable in today's fast-paced software development world. Selenium Java, a powerful combination of the Selenium WebDriver framework and the Java programming language, is a popular choice for automating web applications. Section 7. What is Selenium and what are its components? Selenium is an open-source framework for automating web browsers. It provides a suite of tools and libraries for creating automated tests for web applications. Selenium consists of several components. 1. Selenium WebDriver, a collection of language-specific bindings to interact with web browsers. 2. Selenium IDE, a browser extension for recording and playing back user interactions. 3. Selenium Grid, a system for running tests on multiple machines and browsers simultaneously. Each component plays a crucial role in web application automation. Section 8. Explain the different types of locators in Selenium. Locators are used in Selenium to identify and interact with web elements on a page. Choosing the right locator is crucial for creating robust and reliable automated tests. Common locator types include 1. Idaho uses the element's unique ID attribute. 2. Name uses the element's name attribute. 3. Class name uses the element's class attribute. 4. XPath uses XML path expressions to locate elements. And 5. CSS selector uses CS selectors to locate elements. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each locator type is essential for effective Selenium automation. Section 9. How do you handle dynamic web elements in Selenium? Dynamic web elements, whose attributes change dynamically, can pose challenges for automation. Selenium provides several techniques to handle such elements. 1. Relative locators. Locate elements based on their position relative to other elements. 2. Explicit waits. Pause the execution until a specific condition is met. 3. Implicit waits. Tell WebDriver to poll the DOM for a certain amount of time when trying to find an element. And 4. JavaScript executor. Execute JavaScript code to interact with dynamic elements. By employing these techniques, you can create robust tests that handle dynamic content effectively. Section 10. What are Selenium WebDriver waits? Explain the different types. Waits in Selenium are essential to prevent scripts from failing due to timing issues. They help synchronize the script with the web page's behavior. These waits ensure that the script pauses until a specific condition is met before moving forward, making the tests more reliable. There are two main types of waits in Selenium WebDriver. The first type is implicit wait. This instructs WebDriver to poll the DOM for a certain amount of time when trying to find an element, ensuring that the element is present before any actions are performed on it. This wait is set once for the entire WebDriver instance and applies to all elements in the script. The second type is explicit wait. This is used to wait for a specific condition to be met before proceeding with the execution of the script. Unlike implicit wait, explicit wait is applied to a particular web element and condition, making it more flexible and precise. Choosing the right type of wait is crucial for creating reliable and efficient automated tests. Proper use of waits can significantly enhance the stability and performance of your test scripts, ensuring they run smoothly under various conditions. Conclusion. Mastering the interview for testing success. Mastering both manual and automation testing techniques, especially with Selenium Java, is paramount for career success in software testing. By understanding and confidently answering the interview questions discussed in this essay, you can significantly increase your chances of landing your dream job and excelling in this exciting and ever-evolving field. Remember, thorough preparation is key to acing your interview and showcasing your skills to potential employers.